Hi, welcome back to this tutorial in the series of tutorials. Today we are going to model this handle and this base. I will grab the view down and add a cube and scale it on x-axis, scale it again on z-axis, and then scale it on y-axis. I'll press tab to go into edit mode, then press Ctrl R to add loop cuts. I will set the numbers of loop cuts to 11. And then select the middle one. Go to edge select mode and then select Alt, select the middle one. I have turned on the proportional editing. I will now go to front view. Let's go to side view. Let me tab out of edit mode and hide this. Then back to edit mode. And then grab this on z-axis. I will leave out two outer faces. There, so these two faces were not included. Let me go again to camera view mode. I have my shape here. I can shade it smooth, then turn on the auto smooth. Increase this angle so that these disappear. As you can see, I have a nice handle here. I can add the subdivision surface modifier if I want to make it more smooth like that one. Set the levels view to 2, levels viewport to 2. So I have the handle, but I can still select this one, go to edit mode, select this end face and insert so that I have this end which is not smooth. As you can see, the ends now are not smooth. By the way, it is not necessary to have them smoothed. So I will now grab these two, give more space. I will unhide the second object to show you what I'm going to model. So I will add the cube. I will go to edit mode, select the top face and then Ctrl B for bevel. Let me keep it there. So make sure you have selected edges, and then you set the width somewhere bigger than 0.5. You increase the number of segments. I have set them to 20, and then the shape is normally around 0.5. You shall reduce it towards 0 so that it bends inside. I'll click to confirm and then select this lower face and then grab it to Z-axis. Let me turn off the proportional editing. Grab to Z-axis. I go back to camera view mode. I go back to object mode. As you can see, I have my shape here. It only remains to shade it smooth, and then go to object data properties and turn the auto smooth normals on. Thank you. Continue to subscribe so that you get more tutorials in the series. We are now going to move to more complex shapes in our future tutorials. Thank you and bye.